Hey everyone, I have a brand new project to tell you about. Let's see. We have a very exciting announcement to make. It is the
Thready Box!
Good job, guys! Let's open it and see what we have. What did you say? What did you guys say that it's called?
The Thready Box.
What?
Thready Box.
What?
The Thready Box.
Let me see that Thready Box. Oh my gosh, the two littles are holding it. Are you guys excited? What do you think is going to be inside?
Sewing stuff and
Thread. Well, what do you think? Should we open it and check them out?
Yes.
All right, let's do that. Hold on. So these boxes are a subscription from my girlfriend's Quilt Shop, our sponsor, and it is a Thready Box. And this one is for kids, and you can see I've got all my grandkids, or most of my grandkids here, and they are going to open the Thready Box for the first time and see what's inside and what we're going to work on today. Go ahead, guys, go for it.
I don't care about the candy.
Candy? What else is in there?
Fabric.
Fabric.
Pouches to make.
Pouches to make? What's Zenith?
I'm gonna ask if that can be my treat.
You're going to ask if that can be your treat? Because you got candy in the Thready Box.
Cristin.
So what do you think those projects are? Oh, how cute. Let me see that pencil.
Embroidery stuff.
That's a keychain. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And Zachary, let me see yours, Zachary. Oh, cool. All right, now what do you think those projects are? And what do you think you do with that? Hold up that one that has the pictures. What do you think you do with that?
Color. Coloring.
I don't think you color it.
Cutting.
I don't think you even cut it.
Oh, sewing on the paper.
We're gonna sew around those big black shapes to test your sewing skills.
Yeah.
How cool is that? And it's a school theme. So what are the projects that go along with the school theme? Can you see what the projects are? What about this paper that shows you? Oh, you're going to make a pencil pouch. Let me see, Aiden.
A drawstring backpack.
A pencil pouch.
Ooh.
Ooh.
And a crayon caddy.
A crayon. Oh, look at that. How fun. Oh my gosh, that's really cool. And what was the third one?
Drawstring backpack.
That.
There's even this.
Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's cool too. Lots of goodies in this box. Are you guys excited to get started?
Yes. I just want to eat this to get
You just want to eat the candy? All right, I brought my little sewing machine and your mama has one too, so we'll be able to start playing. All right, let's do it, guys.
Look, Grandma. These are the projects we can make.
Those are the projects we can make? Oh, perfect. What do you guys want to make?
I want to make the
pencil
crayon caddy.
You want to make the crayon caddy, Abigail? And Aiden, what did you say?
I want
To make the pencil pouch and eat the Starburst.
pencil pouch. Pencil pouch.
You want to make the pencil pouch, Zeta?
Pencil pouch.
That's so fun. All right, well, let's get started, guys.
fabric in half.
What step are you on, Abigail?
Step 4. Lay your lining fabric with right side facing up on the table. Place your pocket on top of the lining fabric to make sure your bottom edges are even. Line the edge of your presser foot against the side of the pocket. Sew along the side edges. Fold the piece of ribbon in half and place on the right side of lining above pocket. Make sure the fold of the ribbon is facing out and the ribbon tails are facing in. Stitch into place.
Awesome. So which project are you working on?
The crayon caddy.
The crayon caddy. Awesome. Do you love sewing?
Yes.
You having a great time with it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Let's go finish it up. You're doing great, Zachary. Such a nice straight line. I'm really proud of you. You do? I'm glad. It's pretty cool, huh? Good job.
My turn, my turn.